Do you know what 3 benefits of a thermographic survey are? Let's dive into it now. A thermographic survey can save money as it is non-invasive, is fast and provides a reduced labour level when compared to invasive, destructive testing. In many cases, this form of testing can prevent intrusive investigation of areas located in the exact location of the issue, leading to cost-effective repair. Next, equipment failure. Thermography is extremely effective in analysing electrical equipment. It is possible to detect electrical circuits that are running beyond their safe temperature parameters, therefore preventing overheating and failure. In some cases, this type of investigation can prevent electrical fires. Finally, it's safer. As it's non-invasive, you don't have to touch the study area. This is especially important when dealing with live circuits. It is possible to investigate potential issues on items like overhead electrical insulators, leading to fast, effective and safe maintenance of high voltage equipment. If you need a thermographic survey, contact us today.